Namaskaram. Welcome to Nature's Voice, Yoga for a Better Life. Today's session is about how to prepare yourself to start pranayama. Always try to do pranayama after taking a shower and on an empty stomach. Have a cup of tea or water or a fruit at least 45 minutes to 1 hour before you start pranayama. Make sure you sit in a serene and beautiful place with lots of oxygen around you and a calm and quiet place, like how I'm sitting here. Choose the best location where there's proper temperature, where you can happily take a deep inhalation. Don't directly sit under a fan and start pranayama. Now, let's see how to sit for a pranayama. For a beginner, you can always sit in a simple cross-legged position called Sukhasana. Try to sit straight with your spine, neck and head erect. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Your palms on your thighs very gently placed with your entire arms relaxed and peacefully sit with your head straight. Do not bend down like this or lift your head too high. If you're unable to take a gentle breath with your head straight, then you can tilt your head a little higher, but not too much. Always sit in a comfortable pose. If you're not comfortable in a simple cross-legged pose, you may even sit in a chair and try to take support of the back of the chair and practice pranayama. Once you're ready, you can always take 2 minutes of your time to settle down your breath, settle down your mind and relax yourself. Once you're relaxed, you always start the pranayama by taking a deep inhalation. Today, we are going to start with a pranayama called Anulom Vilom. It is an alternate nostril breathing. So let us see how to do this Anulom Vilom pranayama. With your alternate nostrils, you need to inhale and exhale. Now, let us see how to do it. Try to use your thumb and the middle two fingers to close the right and the left nostril respectively. When you close the right nostril, inhale deeply with the left nostril. Close the left, exhale through the right. Take a second of a gap and then inhale from the right nostril again. Exhale from the left. Continue this until you're comfortable. Try to see how I am doing it right now. And practice it only after you finish watching the video. Never do pranayama and do other works. Never do these two things together. Completely dedicate yourself to practice pranayama. Once you've finished doing Anulom Vilom, take your time to relax Experience the inner feelings and then slowly open your eyes. When you do this, never press your nostrils too hard. You need not close the entire nostril. You can just touch at the tip of the nose at the base, and then your oxygen supply closes when you just touch it here. You exhale completely till your stomach goes in and there's no more air left. Inhale again deeply such that there's no more space in your lungs. Continue like this for a minimum of 7 to 10 minutes. Try to do this twice daily for a better result. Also, try to do this when you're really stressed, when you're in any kind of trouble, when you're upset, and see the difference immediately after you practice the pranayama. You are really joyful after you do this, and because there's a lot of oxygen supply that's needed for your cells, tissues, blood, and the entire body, and it detoxifies your blood and your body. Hence, Anulom Vilom can relax you to the most. Try to practice it. Thank you.